Hi, my name is Divakar Kinra, and I'm endodontic faculty at CDOCS, and my tip of the day has to do with cone beam during root canal therapy. You know, many people just say, go ahead and take a cone beam while doing a root canal, and there's some good reason to do that, but I want to tell you some of the reason why. A lot of it has to do with just the anatomy of the tooth and making your life a little bit easier. So let's talk a little bit about the anatomy and when it comes to cone beam, because I think cone beam is underutilized during root canal therapy. Well, one, finding all the canals and that can be very difficult during root canal therapy, but if you have an axial view, it helps you tremendously in locating how many canals they are and where they're located according to the pulp chamber. Two, negotiating those canals to the terminus. Sometimes those canals join, they are short of the radiographic apex, and it's much easier to tell on cone beam where they land versus maybe a two-dimensional picture. Three, mechanically cleaning to the full length of the tooth. That's much easier to determine if you have the sagittal view of the cone beam and even the coronal view. Those really give you great options on knowing where the terminus of the tooth is. That'll allow you to create a shape to receive the root canal filling, and then also disinfect all the ramifications. A lot of times you'll see from lesions, maybe you'll see a lateral lesion in the cone beam, and that's really important because you want to give a 3D obturation of the full canal space, and knowing where the anatomy is at allows you to do that. Remember that anatomy affects every stage of the root canal therapy, and getting a cone beam is going to be crucial to doing good root canal therapy. Thanks.